I've seen cases completely fall apart because of one simple mistake made in the first 24 hours after an arrest. Hey there, I'm Joel Chorny. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Tucson, Arizona, and in today's video, I'm revealing the 7 critical mistakes that can destroy your criminal case, including the one that almost everyone makes when talking to the police. Before we dive in, I need to make something clear. This video is for informational purposes only and does not create an attorney-client relationship. Laws vary by jurisdiction, so if you're outside of Arizona, please consult with an attorney licensed in your state. The mistakes I'm about to share are ones I see all too often in my practice. They can dramatically impact the outcome of your case, and sometimes they happen before you even realize you're in trouble. Talking to the police without legal representation is a huge mistake, and it's perhaps the most damaging mistake that I see people make when it comes to their criminal matters. I can't stress this enough. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Even if you believe you're innocent or just being helpful, your words can be misinterpreted or taken out of context. The police aren't recording your conversation to help you. They're building a case against you. Remember, you have the constitutional right to remain silent and to have an attorney present during questioning. Use these rights. If you're approached by law enforcement, politely state, "I'm invoking my right to remain silent and I'd like to speak with my attorney." Another critical mistake is either trying to represent yourself or hiring an attorney without experience in criminal defense. Criminal law is complex and constantly evolving. An experienced criminal defense attorney knows how to identify key issues in your case, file the right motions at the right time, and negotiate effectively with prosecutors. They understand the local court system, the prosecutors, and often the judges, knowledge that can be invaluable to your defense. Remember, the state has vast resources at its disposal. You need someone in your corner who knows how to level the playing field. In today's digital age, this mistake is becoming increasingly common. Discussing your case on social media with friends or even during recorded jail calls can severely damage your defense. Prosecutors actively look for these statements and can use them against you. Even seemingly innocent comments can be problematic when taken out of context. The only person you should be discussing the details of your case with is your attorney. Those conversations are protected by attorney-client privilege and will not be used against you. This might seem obvious, but missing court appearances or violating bond conditions happens more often than you'd think. The consequences can be severe: arrest warrants, bail revocation, or even additional charges. If you're out on bond, make sure you understand all conditions. This could include regular check-ins, GPS monitoring, substance abuse testing, or travel restrictions. Take these requirements seriously and plan accordingly. If something unavoidable comes up that might affect your ability to meet these obligations, contact your attorney immediately. Not after you've already missed an appearance, but be proactive. Your attorney can help. It is estimated that over 90% of criminal cases end in plea bargains rather than trials. In my experience, that statistic holds. While plea deals can often be the right choice, accepting the first offer without proper legal consultation is a serious mistake. Prosecutors often start with offers that heavily favor the state. An experienced defense attorney can evaluate whether the deal is fair based on the evidence, the charges, and your specific situation. Sometimes, fighting the charges may be in your best interest, especially if there are issues with the evidence or how it was obtained. Take the time to understand all of your options before making this important decision. Evidence matters enormously in criminal cases, yet many people fail to preserve it. If possible, gather witness contact information, take photographs, preserve video footage, and document important details related to your case. The prosecution is building their case from day one. You need to be equally proactive in building your defense. The sooner you can provide this information to your attorney, the better they can advocate for you. My final point may be the most important. Never underestimate the seriousness of criminal charges. The consequences extend far beyond potential jail time or fines. They can affect your employment opportunities, housing options, professional licenses, your reputation, and your civil rights. Criminal charges don't simply go away on their own. They require immediate attention and a strategic defense approach. If you're currently facing criminal charges or know someone who is, avoiding these 7 mistakes can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. The criminal legal system can be intimidating, but with proper guidance and representation, you can navigate it effectively. I'm Joel Chorny. Your rights matter. Protect them. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.